Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Study for PCS Officers. Today's topic is inscriptions and rock edicts. So let's start today's topic. Rominidei Pillar Edicts. It is located in Lumbini, Nepal. It is mentioned about Asoka's visit to Lumbini and tax exemptions he made there. The script of this edict is Brahmi. It has features like minor pillar inscriptions. Prayag Prasasti Allahabad Pillar. It is located in Allahabad Fort, earlier Kausambi. It is mentioned about Asoka's Stambh but with four different inscriptions. The scripts of this Prasasti is Brahmi. Four inscriptions included in it. Number 1, usual Asokan inscriptions. Number 2, Queen's Karua's edict. Number 3, Samudgupta's conquest by Harsen. Number 4, Jahangir's inscriptions in Persian. Sogaura copper plate. It is located in Sogaura, Gorakhpur, that is in Uttar Pradesh. It is mentioned about famine relief efforts. The language of this plate is Prakrit. It has information about Mauryan dynasty. It is earlier known copper plate and pre-Asokan Brahmi inscriptions. Asokan edicts. It is located in eastern India. It is mentioned about Asoka's view of Dharma, that is Buddhist philosophy. The language of this edict is Magadhi Prakrit. 33 inscriptions are included in it. It is first tangible evidence of Buddhism. This edict mentioned Asoka as Devanam Piyadasi, that is beloved servant of the god. Kalsi inscriptions. It is located in Kalsi town, that is in Uttarakhand. It is mentioned about Asoka's human approach in administration, non-violence, and spirituality. The language of this inscription is Prakrit. Kalsi town is only place in North India to have 14 Asokan rock edicts. Maski inscriptions. It is located in Maski, an archaeological site in Karnataka. It is mentioned about Dharma Sasana, promotes Buddhist tenets. The language of this inscription is Prakrit. It is first edict to contain Asoka's name instead of Piyadasi. Kalinga edicts. It is located in Kalinga, Odisha. It, it is mentioned about Kalinga War, turning point for Asoka. The language of this edict is Magadhi Prakrit, and the script of this edict is Brahmi. It has features like set of 11 out of 14 rock edicts. Two special rock edicts signifying specifications. Second feature, Asokan gave up Digvijaya, adopted non-violence and Buddhism. Aihole inscription. It is located in Meguti Temple, Karnataka. Pulikesin II defeated Harshavardhanas. The language of this inscription is Sanskrit, and the scripts of this inscription is Kannada. It has features like Chalukyan victory, capital Aihola. This inscription is written by Ravi Kirti, Pulikesin II's court poet. Samudgupta's conquest by Harsena. Mehrauli inscriptions. Mehrauli iron pillar. It is located in Qutub Minar complex, Delhi. It gave credits Chandragupta II for conquest of Bakatakas and Banga countries. The scripts of this inscription is Brahmi. It is mentioned about Gupta dynasty. The pillar established by Chandragupta II as Vishnupada in honor of Lord Vishnu. This pillar is notable for rust resistance, metal composition. Hathi Gumpa inscriptions, elephant cave inscriptions. It is located in Udaygiri, Khandgiri caves, that is in Odisha. It is mentioned about the history of King Kharvela, a champion of Jainism. The language of this inscription is Prakrit. It has information about the Mahamegh dynasty. Thanks for watching and keep your learning spirit high.